Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your volume without using button on Android mobile phone, especially on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I have already opened my phone and I'm going to show you two methods that you can try to adjust your volume without using the volume button. Okay, the first one, you just need to go to your quick setting panel, and then here you will see volume. Okay, and then here guys, you can adjust your volume. Okay, you can tap and hold on this menu, and yeah, you can adjust it right here. I'm going to go to the volume. Okay, then you can adjust the volume for ringtone, media, notification, alarm, and so on. You can adjust it right here without using your volume button. And then the second one, guys, you can use assistant menu to adjust your volume. This is how the assistant menu looks like. Okay, and you will see the volume icon, and here you will be able to adjust your volume, and you can choose which type of the volume that you want to adjust. You can choose media or ringtone. Okay, and to make this assistant menu appear on your screen, you need to activate it on the setting. Go to your settings, and then you're going to go to the accessibility setting. It's right here, and you're going to go to the interaction and dexterity, and here you can activate the assistant menu. Mine is already activated, and you can customize the assistant menu, guys. Here you can choose the items that you want to display on the assistant menu, and make sure that the volume is here, and you can adjust the volume using your assistant menu, so you don't need to press your button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And this feature is very helpful, especially when you have problem. So yeah, you have two methods to solve the problem. I mean, to solve your volume button problem. The first one using the quick setting panel, and the second one using the assistant menu. Okay guys, and that's how you can adjust your volume without using button in Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.